Good evening, everyone. Ayan, it's our dinner time. So this is roca and tuna. Tuna in brine with lemon and salt only. Ayan, guys. Let's eat. Siyempre, ay mekos-mekos natin. So ito ang ating dinner. Kasi nag-rice tayo kaninang morning. Nag-heavy meal tayo. So, by the evening, kailangan very light lang. Very, very light. Sarap. Parang damihan ko yung asin. Okay. Itong type ng roca is parang wild. Medyo mapait siya. Pero, lagyan mo lang siya ng maraming lemon para hindi mo siya malasahan ng pait. Harap. Shout out sa lahat. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your dinner also.